channel. I'm Rachel.
I'm Sam.
And today we are going to show you how to make the perfect gliding airplane, and we're going to play a little game with them. So let's get started. Okay, so we'll show you how to make the perfect airplane now. First, we're going to flip it this way, and then we're going to fold it in half, hot dog style. So next we're going to open it back up, and then we're going to fold the corners into the crease in the middle. And then we'll do it with the other corner. So there's what it looks like. So next we're going to take that and we're going to fold it over like that and crease it. So now it should kind of look like an envelope. So next we're going to take the corner again and we're going to fold it in like that. Next we're going to take the other corner and fold it the same way. Next we're going to take the ends of and fold them like that. Then we're going to flip it over like this. And we're gonna fold it in half like that and line up as straight as we can. So this is what it looks like. So next we're gonna fold the wings. So we're gonna take the first one, fold it like that and line it up. And we're gonna flip it over and do the same thing to the other side and fold it. Then here is your airplane. Make sure you hold it right there. Okay, now it's time for a game. So how this game is gonna work is we're each gonna have 3 airplanes. We're gonna go on our ledge over here, and we're gonna throw them off from there. We're gonna throw them, and we're gonna try to hit the stack of cups down. So we're gonna see if we can get them down, who can get them down first. So let's get started. Okay, so Sam's gonna go first to try to take the cups down.
Oh,
Okay, my turn.
nope. It's harder than it looks.
I can fly really good. I just can't go down low from all the way up here. Oh, close.
Yeah.
Sam's turn. Okay, now my last turn.
Nope. Wow.
Okay, so let's go collect the airplanes.
Wow.
Okay, round 2. Let's see who can get them this time.
Wait, how about you go first?
Okay. That's horrible.
Oh, no, just. Hey. Oh, isn't that who's gonna hit him? No, that's such an unfair. Well, he wants to fly. No, that's Cody. Yeah.
Okay.
Third round.
I want to get at least.
Okay, I post.
Is he down that low?
So.
Yes!
Oh.
I got some! Let's see if I can get it
If you get down,
again. Nope. Okay. So we're going to go and we can get the whole stack.
Yeah.
If we can.
Is it good? It's getting harder because it's
That was great.
Is it even possible to cook?
I stopped it. Okay.
Okay, so that counts as
Okay, who else there?
that's a high shot. Was it close? Do you know what glass on it?
Okay, so this one. Okay. Okay, that was really fun. Now we're going to be doing some trick shots. Okay, so that's it for today. We hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. We had so much fun. We hope you liked it. Make sure to go check out our other videos. See you next time. Bye!